Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the control knob on the Samsung ecobubble washing machine. If your control knob is damaged, it will need to be replaced. Thankfully, it's a very easy replacement to do at home. Let's take a look. Before carrying out any work, make sure your washing machine is turned off and fully disconnected from the mains. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat head screwdriver. Now, using the Phillips head, I can remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws at the back. Next, remove the detergent drawer by pushing down in the center here and lifting out, and then undo the 4 screws at the top using your Phillips screwdriver. And then 2 screws near the detergent drawer to release the control panel. With the screws removed, you can disconnect the control panel from the appliance. Disconnect the electrical connection by pinching the clip at the back and lifting up. Then you can remove the control panel completely. To remove the PCB from the control panel, undo the 3 screws using your Phillips head screwdriver, and then gently ease away the clips holding it in place using a flathead screwdriver. To remove the PCB from the control panel, simply pinch the electrical connection and lift away. To remove the control knob, simply push down on the shaft. To find the right control knob for your washing machine, you're going to need the make and model number of the appliance. You can see our video here, which gives you tips on how to find your model number. You can use the link in the description below to find the correct control knob. So grab your new control knob and insert that into your control panel. Reconnect the electrical connection of the PCB into the control panel and then fit into the clips and re-screw. Refit your 3 screws to the PCB. Reconnect the electrical connection and then fit the control panel and PCB into place. You can then refit the screws. Refit the detergent drawer by just pushing it into place. I can now refit the top and the screws. So there we have it, one control knob fitted to the Samsung ecobubble washing machine. Now that your washing machine is up and running again, why not take the time to get to know your washing machine settings properly? Have a look at our video down here, which gives you all the information you need to know about how to get the most out of your machine using the settings. And it also means that you can keep your laundry fresher for longer. For more tips and advice on how to fix and maintain your household and garden appliances, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.